What is up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. I am exhausted. I have day 16 exporting right now. I know, I'm so behind. I really am. Blame Adobe. You ever think about switching to Adobe Premiere Pro? Saving trouble. Just don't do it. Don't. But we just finished, well, actually, he's finishing up breakfast. He has oatmeal right there. But we're about to go to the pet store because I need cat food and he needs dry food. Or dog food? Not dry dog food. And that's kind of pretty much the plan for today. For dinner, I can already tell you it's gonna be not the steak. Not the chicken. Well, this is awkward. There we go. It's going to be the pork and Mexican street corn tacos. So that's probably what this vlog is just gonna be. A HelloFresh cooking of pork and Mexican street corn tacos with chili lime crema and a pet store haul. Alright, so I am going to take you guys along with us while we go shopping for what? You guys are going to come with us while we go shopping in the pet store, and then we'll do like a little pet store haul and then just cooking dinner. So. Ooh, look at him. She's in a cute little jacket, little sweater. That made it worse. Mainly just wanted to show Bobby this note. Oh, baby, baby, baby. They are really, really soft. I like it. I want one. I like how purple it is.
It's so soft.
I like it.
Yeah, just looking up the nutrients. We were just looking at all the different. I never seen all this. Thank you. You gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Said I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. Top of milk. Outside. I didn't know where the camera was on here, so I was like coming up 2014. We're just past 15. The road is really crappy too. Alright, so we just got to the pet stop. To the pet store. We were just at the grocery store. Wow, I can't speak. We were just at the grocery store because he needed nutrients, and yeah, we're gonna do a little haul after. Whoa, buddy! I almost did us. Not paying attention, not at all. Let's go pet shopping. Let's hope you can speak in here.
I probably won't be able to. Cause I can't believe that I get to have you. This snow. It's not okay.
green in it.
This little cat scared me. The cat scared me. Ooh, kittens. Oh man.
You bought a whole other favorite place, it did. What? You girls don't want these? There's really nothing even in here for you. Huh? These pig noses? These ain't pig noses. Oh, are these all kinds of little baseballs? Hmm? Oh, gosh!
You can tell we just got back from, well, honestly, shopping. We ended up at the grocery store too, so yeah, we had a busy day. A very busy day. And ooh, we got hooves filled with peanut butter stuff.
Take sitters.
Oh man, oh man. Look at you, girl. Ooh. Oh, it's not tall enough. Oh, we got more of the gourmet biscuit bones. And some chicken jerky. She loving it?
And to give her a little kiss, she started growling in my face. I was like, I bought it. She's like looking at me confused. I'm like, I bought it. Chill out.
Oh man, the girls, they get some rabbit.
Yeah, they get the best.
Ooh, and some quail.
100% real quail.
And 100% duck.
The bipartisan product bowl.
Another duck. And another quail. And, ooh, my kitties. Ooh, so my little cats, they're gonna try duck too. And got a turkey. Another turkey. Chicken. Another chicken. And then they're gonna try a fish and shrimp entree. So they don't like salmon. We'll see if they like that. They're picky. They have another duck.
Good.
Slow cooked beef stew and a slow cooked turkey stew. What else do we get? I don't even remember, man. Hey, Belly, I don't even remember. Where's your food? Oh, we got some more other gourmet biscuits. These ones are with peanut butter. Where's the cat food? Oh, there it is. Hi, Billy.
I really like the size of this food different too.
Wait, you gotta bring that here really quick. I don't think we showed them.
Bringing the same dog food. Solid gold, baby.
And they got some
Quail,
Quail.
chickpea, pumpkin.
quail,
Quail.
chickpea, and
Look at
pumpkin
the size,
recipe.
though. That's much better for Sid.
It actually doesn't smell that bad. Got some more biscuits. And then for my little kitty cats, got some chicken and rice formula. Wait, is there really rice in there? That's kind of sad.
This is for sensitive stomachs too.
0 wheat, corn, and soy. Anyways, they're gonna try this. Hopefully, I don't know. They like it's supposed to be better for them. It's the number one ingredient is real chicken. But I'm gonna finish unloading all these groceries because I mean I might just speed through it, but I'm not gonna show you guys everything. Yeah, so let's just do like an unbagging grocery haul montage. This dang microphone. I keep forgetting to turn it on. But anyways, we're about to cook the pork and Mexican street corn tacos. This is going to be for roughly about 4 servings. The only thing is I don't have extra corn unless we have some in our cupboard, but I'm not sure. No, you just had yours. You gotta go outside. Like I said, most of my ingredients are kind of for 2 people, but I'm gonna make it for 4. I'm just gonna add extra beef to my tacos and maybe some extra corn, but for the most part, it's for 2 people. You have 6 tortillas, 15.3 ounces of corn, some chili powder, which is just chili pepper, garlic, oregano, cumin, and salt. Southwest Spice Blend, which is a garlic, chili powder, and cumin. Did it freeze? It froze. Don't keep your oils out in the cold, guys. It freezes.
We were griddling with it.
Yeah, in the summertime we griddle. In the wintertime, it's too cold.
We will be griddling. We're professional griddlers. We'll griddle all winter long.
1 jalapeno. 2 tablespoons of... Oh, I lied. It's 4. 4 tablespoons of sour cream. And today mine is not open, which is fantastic. 1 shallot, 1 lime, and 1 chicken stock concentrate. And so, because I'm trying to make it for about 4 people, I'm going to use half of the red onion to make up for the fact that I only have 1 shallot instead of 2. And a little bit of garlic, because basically a shallot is just a little, like, a garlicky onion. First, we are going to half peel and thinly slice the shallot, zest in half the lime, thinly slice the jalapeno into rounds, and removing the ribs and seeds if you do not like it as spicy. In a small bowl, we're going to combine the shallots, the juice from the whole lime, so the whole entire lime juice, jeez. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and as much jalapeno as you like. Next, In a second small bowl, combine the sour cream, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, salt, pepper, and the lime, and as much lime zest as you want. So you're gonna add about a teaspoon of water at a time until the mixture reaches like a drizzly consistency. You know how some people put like slices of lemon or slices of lime in their beer? No, just put the zest of that citrus in the beer. Just like a little pinch. Just a fun side note. Next we're gonna drain the corn and pat dry with paper towel. Oh look, the drier the corn, the less likely it is to pop in the pan. Why does my camera keep turning off? Anyways, I added the corn. You're not supposed to touch it, like I said, 3 to 4 minutes. Put that in a bowl, and then in that same pan we're going to cook the pork, but in our case the pork and beef. Then you're going to add the pork and a pinch of salt and pepper and cook that for about 4 to 6 minutes. And then you're going to stir in the Southwest spice and a 1/4 teaspoon of the chili powder. And stir in the stock concentrate and a 1/4 cup of water. And then cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, and then next you're going to reserve the veggies. Pour the pickling liquid to taste into the bowl with corn and stir in a drizzle of olive oil, the remaining chili powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And then you're going to wrap the tortillas in a damp paper towel and microwave for 30 seconds. No, I'm probably going to use my toaster oven or not at all. And then you're going to divide the tortillas into plates and fill with pork and corn, topped with the crema and as many pickled veggies as you'd like, and bon appetit!
Got you, homie.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas Day 19. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you enjoyed these Vlogmases and you want to binge watch some more, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye. My corn is popping.